Hello, you are welcome to Everything Foodie. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this broccoli stem recipe. Guys, you've got to try this recipe, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with everyone. And our first ingredient is onion. You can cut the onion to any shape or size you want. Our next ingredient is green pepper. I removed the seed and washed it off, and you can cut this to any shape or size of your choice. And our next ingredient is broccoli. Yeah, guys, this video is broccoli stem recipe. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to take out the broccoli and we'll use the stem for this recipe. And here is the two stems that we'll be using, and I'll go ahead to grate them. Okay, just to grate them using the small size of my grater. You can use the big size of your grater depending on the size or shape you want it to be. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be grating it with this size. And at this point, if you've not subscribed to Everything Foodie, please hit that subscription button and on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we upload a new video. After watching this video, you will never throw away your broccoli stem again. Yeah, and we are done grating it, and this is the quantity we're able to get from the two stems, and we'll be using this to prepare this delicious mouth-watering recipe. And we've got our olive oil, like 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We go ahead to add onions to fry for like 1 to 2 minutes just to soften. Okay, and we are going to be adding the garlic powder, thyme, pepper, this is optional, and salt. I love spicy food. If you watch through my videos, you can see I'm always adding pepper, hot chili, whatever pepper you call it. And I'm adding green pepper. This is sweet, sweet pepper to give it that vitamin C. And here comes the broccoli stem. Guys, if you are looking for a dish that is very high in fiber, you've got to try this recipe, and trust me, it's very, very delicious. I've cooked this severally in my home, and that is why I'm bringing it to you guys to try it out. And we are adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to crown this recipe. Guys, the aroma is everywhere. I'm super excited sharing this video with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to do that. Okay, and if you're still considering subscribing, what are you waiting for? And I covered it to cook for like 5 to 8 minutes on a low heat. You just allow it to cook and you turn. Guys, the aroma is everywhere. See this beautiful, amazing dish. Very simple to cook, right? Don't forget to try this recipe and send me your pictures or videos on Instagram at everything_foodie1. Ready to enjoy, serve and share with everyone. And at this point, do not throw away your broccoli stem again. Always use it to prepare this dish. Very high in fiber and delicious. Your kids will enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. for watching.